let me tell you that everything I had done in my political journey had always been for the good of the Igbo people, for the good of democracy, and for the good of the people of Anambra State. Because when I intervened here, this place was on the ground. We had to use effort to bring Anambra State from the doldrums, starting with Peter Obi, who did well in 8 years he governed the state. And Obiano came, now the current governor. He's done 4 years, he's on the second leg, and he has done very well. He has improved on what Peter did, and Anambra State is moving to the enviable height of one of the best states in Nigeria. So this is what Ada has done, and I feel very proud to be associated with this success. So there are so many other things in between the time and now, which I don't want to dwell upon. It's one thing I'll tell you that you, the journalists in Anambra State, you have had time in the past, or times in the past, when some of you chose not to